Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie, me and my husband live in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here in Bangkok, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. So we are actually heading out to a robot restaurant today. We have heard about this place online and it looks really exciting, so we're going to go and head over to that. So it should be interesting. I think it's like a Japanese restaurant, so we shall see what happens. But I also need to get ready to go.
It's a little bit difference between this one's much more beef and this one much more sushi.
Today we are in this robot restaurant. It looks quite fun. There's lots of food to choose from. You have like different types of beef, you have lots of different types of seafood and sushi. There's also like a hot pot thing that you can choose from. So it looks great, lots and lots of options. I'm looking forward to trying some of this. Going to get tucked in now. Right, so this restaurant has two options. Well, it has one option that's $4.99 and one that's $7.99 back. And basically, the $7.99 back, the only difference is you have a lot more sushi to choose from. And there's a few different other types of like beef, and there's also a lamb like dish that you can try as well. So we went for the $7.99 one just because we wanted to try it all. I'll be honest, the menu is extensive. I might have ordered a little bit too much. We have got way too much food here. But there's like two things in front of you. So one is a grill and one is a shabu, which is like a hot pot type thing. So we prefer the grill, but the shabu here is actually really nice. The sauces, they have like different soups that you can choose from, and the soups here is really, really tasty. Suggest we do is they gave us a egg that we have to crack and put the egg in a bowl and mix it up, and apparently you use that to dip in stuff from your hot pot or like beef in. Now my friend Jessie, so we used to live in China, and my friend Jessie in China used to always do this when we went to hot pot, and I always thought it was a bit strange. I didn't realise it was an actual thing, so I'm going to try it today and see what it's like. Okay, so at this restaurant as well, they have sushi. So we ordered a selection of sushi. There's a massive variety of sushi to choose from. It looks amazing. I will say, the quality of the food here is really, really good. Definitely recommend this place. Right, so that's us done at Hajime Robot Restaurant. Really, really good food, guys. Like, definitely for the price that you pay. So it's 799 baht, all you can eat, and it is really, really tasty. Like, the quality of the food is very good as well. So we eat at a place called Best Beef often, which is like a grill place, and the food there is really good. But I'd say the quality here is better, and it's only a little bit more here, so highly recommend. Plus you have a robot that dances every so often, which is great fun. If you're visiting Bangkok with family or a couple or whoever you are and you like grill or shabu type food, then come here. It is so good. I will leave the link for their Facebook page in the description below. Hi guys, so I'm home now. I'm not sure if I've actually mentioned this today, but it's a Thursday and I don't have school today because it is a national holiday here. So yeah, that's why I'm not at school. So yeah, I'm home now. It's actually a little bit later. I have been doing a bit of work. Callum is now editing a creative travel guide video, and I'm going to, a few more of his Advent stuff had arrived. I mentioned it in like my second or third video. For Advent this year, I've been getting little presents for Callum. So some of them arrived from Lazada, so I need to wrap those up. And also, I don't think I've actually shown you any of the stuff I've got him so far, so I will show you those as well today. But before I do that, let me just show you my room. So I'm not sure if I've shown you my Christmas decorations in here, but I thought I'd quickly just show you them. So I've got some tinsel. Obviously, we also use a PlayStation, like an old PS3, to like watch YouTube and stuff in here, by the way. That's why that's a mess over there. So here are my little decorations. We got this decoration from that warehouse that we went to the other day. It's sparkly and it reminded us of like China, so we're like, oh, that's cute, we'll get that. And it's actually just hanging off. I have this up all year round. I'm not sure if the photo is like very clear there, but this is me and my friend Jessie. So Jessie, if you've been watching this channel for a long time, Jessie was my TA in China, and she's like my best friend, guys. Like, I miss her so much. But when I left, she got me this little tree of like photos of us together in China, messing around, doing bits and bobs. Yeah, so that's that. So I thought it was only appropriate to dangle this off here. She was meant to come out, guys, I'm so upset. She was meant to come out here to see us in April time, but obviously that could not happen. So yeah, hopefully the year coming will happen. And then this is, again, if you watch this for a while, this is actually what I got Callum, one of Callum's birthday presents. He really likes those like Starbucks mugs, and I found a Tianjin one, which is where we used to live. Then we just got these little trees that I found off Lazada, yeah, to make it a little bit festive. And now let's wrap. Hi guys, so before I wrap this last gift, I wanted to quickly show it in case I forgot to show you another time, because it's so cute. So it comes in this, it's like a little calendar. It comes in the next room, don't be like whispering. So it's like a little calendar, and it seems, maybe I'll subtitle myself, I'm not sure. But I think it's really, really cute. I actually got this when I went to the Christmas fair last week. Yeah, last week. And it's so cute, guys. Like, so cute. And there's lots of like different scenes of like places around, but in the snow. So nice. So nice. Anyway, when he does open it, I will show you properly then. But right guys, so I've finished wrapping. Everything is sorted. I'm at work tomorrow, so I will show you my day tomorrow. But I think I'm going to finish off my Vlogmas here. It has been a really nice kind of relaxing day. enjoyed the food for sure. Definitely would recommend that restaurant. I've got the gift sorted, so that is good. Our house is looking so festive, like our little apartment is looking so festive, which makes me very happy. But yeah, tomorrow is a Friday. I'm at school and then it's the weekend, so I cannot complain. Actually on the weekend I've got some exciting stuff. So tomorrow I think we're gonna head to, there's an Irish bar that has some Irish music, so I will show you that. And then on Saturday I'm going to go to afternoon tea with some ladies from work, and I'm very, very excited to go because it's like a Christmas themed one in the St. Regis Hotel. And yeah, so it's going to be a festive weekend coming up. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see more of my face and me celebrating Christmas. And I shall see you very, very soon. Bye!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish